Hey guys, this is Poetspice, Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here to do the Anna Griffin collab. Now, I have extended it through September, so we will be coming back every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I put out a call video for people who wanted to participate through September, so make sure you look at that video if you would like to participate and contact me ASAP. So let's go ahead and get with it. This time around, I decided that I was going to do this Anna Griffin piece here. So I just wanted to try the die out, and it is the Sleigh easel die. So you know, if you guys watch HSN or Anna Griffin, you know this was going in my cart because I have an obsession with easel cards. So there we go. Now, as I was just trying it out, you know how you got to get into your groove. I wanted to try some darker colors. So I just went with some grays and some creams. So here is this piece. And what I would probably do differently, or I may even do it later, is I'd probably add some maybe like little tiny snowflakes back here so that it has some decoration when you have it closed. So on her sheet, her idea sheet, she's used a pattern paper that has some sparkle to it. So this one has a sheen. I don't know if it's showing up. Well, there it is. It has a sheen, but I think I would add some little stars in the back or something. I went over, it does have embossing details, so if you can see that. I did go over some of the embossing with a marker, which you can do. And then I did the layer, and I did the layer on the inside. So when you do that, it stands up. Now, on the inside, I cut another one of these bases here. And here's a tip when you make these cards. If you do this on the inside, I mean, you don't have to, but if you put an extra layer on the inside here, when you put it down, that means you can line up this part much easier. Okay, so you can see how much you need down here at the bottom, how much room, so they match up. If you put this on first and then try to put the layer on, like you said, you don't need the layer, but if you use the layer, you want to put this inside layer on first and then add your top part. So that is my little quick tip and my little quick card. And so I plan on doing some more of these because I like them. All right, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other ladies, and don't forget that you can participate too.